In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members on Trello board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates to a Trello board so everyone can collaborate in one place. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then click the official Trello website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your boards. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you want to add people. You can find your boards from the Trello homepage or your workspace list. Just click the board's name to open it. With the board open, look to the top right corner and select the Share button. Depending on the interface, it may appear as Invite, but it serves the same purpose. This opens the sharing panel, where you can manage who has access to the board. In the Invite field, type the email address of the person you want to add. If they're already part of your workspace, Trello may suggest their profile as you type, and you can select it to save time. Double-check your spelling to avoid sending an invite to the wrong address. Before you send the invite, take a moment to confirm the level of access. Members can add and edit cards, move lists, and participate fully on the board. If your plan includes it, an observer role allows someone to view the board without making changes, which is helpful for clients or stakeholders who only need visibility. Choose what fits your workflow and your organization's policies. When you're ready, click Share to send the invitation. Trello will notify the person by email, and if they already use Trello under that address, they may appear on the board right away. You can repeat this process for each additional person you want to bring in. To verify that everything worked, glance at the top of the board for the member avatars. Hovering over an avatar can show you who's been added, and you may see a pending indicator until someone accepts their invite. If the person doesn't receive the email, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, or confirm that the address you entered is correct. If you don't see the Share button, you might not have the necessary permission. In that case, ask a board admin to invite members for you. That's it. You've added members to your Trello board, making it easy for your team to collaborate, stay organized, and move work forward together.